Jace here, your hernia fitness guy from herniasurgeryrecovery.com, and I'd like to show you ideal technique for this one-arm row to reduce likelihood of getting an inguinal hernia and managing one if you already have one like me. So first, choose an appropriate weight, something you can control but enough to feel the muscle stimulated and enough that it requires effort. Second is form. Having a staggered stance stretches out the hip and groin area, making it more susceptible. Keep your feet hip-width apart and parallel to the bench, and this keeps the area closed off and reduces susceptibility. Third is breathing. Reduce intra-abdominal pressure by breathing out through your mouth when you row and inhale through your nose on the return. So check out herniasurgeryrecovery.com for a free library of hernia and fitness related content. I'm Jace, your hernia fitness guy, and I'll see you in the next one.